Good morning. Welcome to Instrumental Music. Today we are going to learn a new song called Basic Blues. It is number 75 on page 16 in your book. So first, let's hear what it sounds like. So Basic Blues has a new note. For some of you, the note will be very similar to the new note we learned in our last song, Hot Muffins, and for others, the fingering might be a little bit different. So we'll talk about each of your new notes separately when we go through the notes. There's only one other thing I'd like to point out to you, and I'm going to use the clarinet book since I'm playing clarinet today, and that is that measure 1 and measure 3 are exactly the same. And then measure 2 and measure 4 are not the same, but they have the same, almost all the same notes. So for example, for clarinet, it's B flat. We've got 2 B flats in measure 4, only 1 in measure 2, and then A, and then G. And then measure 2 has an extra note, but in measure 4, we just hold that last note out. So if you can play the first 2 measures, you will be able to play the last 2 measures as well. Okay. All right, so we're going to get started and go through the notes for each instrument. Remember, the order is flute, then clarinet and trumpet, I should say. Or no, wait, let me see. Clarinet and trumpet. Then alto saxophone, then trombone, okay? All right, so first we've got flute. And flute, check it out. Your new note is A flat. Now, we just learned A flat up here. Take a look at where that A flat is. This is the low A flat, and this is the high A flat. It's up above the staff. Look at your fingering. It is exactly the same fingering. So the main difference to play it higher is you blow up. So instead of two, it's going to be two. It's going to be a higher sound. Low, up. Okay? All right, let's take a look at our notes. Here we go. B flat, D, F, F, G, A flat, G, F, D, B flat, D, F, F, G, A flat, G, F. Clarinet and trumpet. So clarinet, we'll talk about, how to play your note first. So here's our B flat. Now we learned B flat last week, okay? And we learned the low B flat. Now we're learning, see how this one's down below the staff? Now we're learning the middle B flat, and that one's right in the middle of the staff. So for clarinets, your fingering is going to be your A key, like this. Remember your A key? And then we're going to move our thumb up onto the register key. So it's just those two. Notice how I'm not pushing down what our normal thumb key. Okay, we're not pushing that. So just first finger on the A key, thumb on the B, our register key to make that a B flat. Trumpets, your B flat fingering is going to be exactly the same. So it's just your first finger number 1. Okay. The difference here is that this is our low B flat that we played last week. Now we're playing a high B flat. So remember to blow faster air and blow down towards your chin to get that high sound. Firm corners. Okay. All right. Let's go through the notes. C, E, G, G, A, B flat, A, G, E, C, E, G, G, A, B flat, A, G. Okay, alto saxophone. So your new note is the high F. So last week we learned low F, and it's just like G, 1, 2, 3 with your left hand, and then 1 on the bottom with your right hand. That's the low F. Look at these two pictures of your fingering pattern. Notice that for the high F, the only difference is that we're adding our octave key. Well, I should say, that's with your left hand, left thumb. Remember, we push that up to make the notes higher. So that's the difference between low F and high F. Easy peasy, just the octave key. Okay, so here we go. G, B, D, D, E, F, E, D, B, G, B, D, D, E, F, F, E, D. And trombone. So trombone, your new note is A flat. Remember that last week we also learned A flat. Last week's A flat was the low A flat. See how down low in the staff it is? Now we're learning the high A flat. It's on the top line. So we've got third position for the low A flat and third position for the high A flat. So it's the same position. Remember, that means that you are going to change what you're doing here with your mouth, okay? So firm corners, blow faster air to get the high sound, and blow down towards your chin. Okay? Here we go. B flat, D, F, F, G, A flat, G, F, D, B flat, D, F, F, G, A flat, G, F. Okay, everyone. So that's how our new song goes, Basic Blues. So I'm just going to play it for you one more time. As always, let me know if you have any questions.